Let's go up and hit the Chestnut Trail and hike our way down to Big Creek. This is what a 5 p.m. hike start looks like. Got that low setting sun. And we will be ending this in the dark for sure.
I'm dying.
So we're a mile in. It's about 5:20, 5:25-ish.
5:30.
5:30. We've got another mile to go. Trying to get as much done before dark as we can. It gets dark quick in the mountains. So we are standing at the Davenport Gap shelter sign. Shelter is just right down there. We'll be able to see it on up the AT a little bit more. Whew!
I got sweat dripping off of me.
What a challenge to get this done as much as we can before dark. So
let's do it.
We always do crazy stuff, don't we?
Seems to be.
Seems to be what we do, I guess.
We're gonna do it.
Well, we're gonna get it. All right, so we're gonna head on up another mile.
Let's
and
get
then
it
drop
done.
down. It's all downhill from there.
Woo-woo.
Except for the last mile back to the car.
Unless
maybe we
get
can
lucky.
Maybe we can hitch that. That's our plan. Is maybe to hitch
Fingers crossed.
back up. Yeah. All right. Let's go.
Do it.
The Appalachian Trail gave us a little mercy, so the AT became a little flatter. We were doing about, I don't know, I think according to Strava, about 3 miles an hour coming up that 1.5 mile section there. And I think we've maintained that 3 or 3.5, 3 1/4 since Davenport Gap Shelter. So we're just a few, I think about 3/10 away from the Chestnut Branch Trail. So we've absolutely kicked ass getting here right now.
About halfway done.
So halfway done. Good way to look at it, Lisa. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys some more of the setting sun because it's really cool. Not a lot of hikers see the trail from this time of day unless you're backpacking it. But anyway, I'll flip the camera around here and shoot some more video.
Okay.
All right, so we got here in 42 minutes. That's 22-minute miles average right there. So we're kicking it. Yeah. So anyway, here's our sign, Chestnut Branch Trails 2.1 to Big Creek. We're going to hit it while there's still a little bit of daylight left and try to see what this trail's about.
Look at my
Ready?
hair.
Lisa's got some wings. She's sporting the wing look. Well, this little bigger of a trail is steep starting out, so get your bearings set. Sorry for the bouncy footage. I left my gimbal in the vehicle. Didn't bring it on this. I knew we would be kicking it. And there's Dana ahead of us. Woo-hoo.
Before any of us are a thought.
Yeah. Oh, no.
That makes me feel small.
What kind is it? It's an oak, which is, so it's not even a tulip poplar, which would go fast. It would go slow going oak. Right on? Yeah. Very right. Wow. But why isn't it having movement? Oh, there's some. Awesome.
All right, guys, we have made it back to the bottom of this trail, Chestnut Branch Trail, and luckily we ran into Dana and a few others from the hiking group, so that's awesome. So we did get to hike with some people after all, and we might have us a ride back to our car.
Oh my goodness.
Chestnut Branch Trail. It's done.
Yay.
Oh gosh, flash. Why?
I bet you, Dana, with your seatbelt on. Oh,
All right, so we are back at the car. Back, you can see the sign behind us. Well, you can, there it is. So we're back at the Appalachian Trail at Davenport Gap. We actually hiked 2 miles up the AT, 1.9 up the AT to Chestnut Branch Trail, and then down 2 miles, and then luckily we ran into some people we knew. Yay. And it brought us back up to our car. We did all of this before dark.
Yes.
So another challenge that Lisa made me accept.
It's actually just 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, so that's awesome. Killing it.
Yay.
Anyway, hit that subscribe button, y'all.